I'm Chelsea, and this is my Java project. So in the first file, the base problems.java, the code shows what's going to happen when there's no protection. So the producer and the consumer can both access the buffer at the same time. There are no semaphores or locks, and as we can see, this can lead to errors like reading a slot before it's filled or overwriting data. Let's have a look at that now. So as we can see, the race condition was detected and the producer was too slow. This version helps us to understand why synchronization is important. Like two people trying to write something on a whiteboard at the same time. It's going to be messy. And from there, I created the race problem modified version using semaphores. I used empty buffer to track how many slots are available and occupied buffer to track how many slots are full. The producer waits for an empty slot before writing, and the consumer waits for a full slot before reading. This version uses acquire and release to control access and make sure that only one thread touches a buffer slot at a time, and that's how we avoid the race conditions. So both of my threads, they run in a loop. The producer randomly picks how many items to add, the consumer randomly picks how many items to remove, and then they update their positions using the next in and next out, which wrap around the buffer like a big circle. After each round, the program decreases a counter called limit, and when that hits 0, the program stops and prints a message saying it exited without any race problems. Let's go ahead and run this. So as we can see, as expected, the producer is producing, consumer is consuming until we get down here. And in this case, the consumer exited first without any race problems, and then the producer exited after. And we can run this. It will, randomize it each time. So here we go. The producer exits without any race problems, and then the consumer finishes and exits the scene. This problem was really interesting. It was a great example to show how semaphores can solve real problems with concurrent programming. So thank you so much. I appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day.